Can you hear that? Listen. Sounds like a plane whose engine stops and starts. But there's no plane in the sky. Sounds like breathing. This has been going on for about 10 minutes. I have no idea what it is. This is Niagara Falls, New York. At just about 10 minutes to 2 in the afternoon. If it were a plane, it should have gone by now, if I couldn't see it, but I don't see anything. But this is my strange sound phenomenon. Hear that? Start and stop. Sometimes it's pretty loud, as you can hear. Nothing. I could probably keep taping this for a few more minutes, but then I'd never be able to upload it. Even small ones. You hear that? I hope this is being picked up.